Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ifeoluwa Kinshola, and I'm a lecturer in the Department of Art and Social Sciences Education, University of Ibadan, where I teach the Yoruba culture in education. I got to know about the African Youth Tourism Festival in January at the CBAC conference, where I met Mr. Ayo Omotosho, and I was very delighted when he invited me as a guest speaker in this occasion because it availed me the opportunity to share my experiences and my line of research into African art and culture and the link they have with tourism. Here today, I've been able to talk to people about the use of the social media for tourism and to promote the commodification of African art and culture, especially the horror art. I am advising every youth in Nigeria and in Africa as a whole to take the issue of tourism and African culture very serious, and then to harness the potentialities of the social media, the digital media, the internet in preserving their culture and in projecting their culture to the wider world. Thank you very much for having me.